Hey guys, and welcome to a first look at Panasonic's TX-L47WT65, which also comes available in a 55-inch screen. In this video, I'll take you through the design and some of the main features the TV has to offer. The WT is a full HD passive 3D screen, which is capable of running at 3600Hz backlight scanning on this IPS panel. As well as the VT model this year, the WT also includes a pop-up camera. For the connections on the back of the TV, this model includes an SD card slot, headphone jack, 3 USB ports with one of them being a USB 3.0, 3 HDMI connections with HDMI 2 being the audio return channel, along with a digital audio out connection. Situated underneath, we have 2 ports for the AV1 and AV2 adapters, which supply us with a SCART connection and also a component connection. The main aerial antenna for the built-in Freeview HD, twin satellite feeds for FreeSat HD, along with 1 Ethernet port if we decide not to use the built-in Wi-Fi. Panasonic have also decided to go for a white finish on the back rather than the standard black finish, and a new design for the pedestal which we'll touch on later. The overall design of the set is very different to previous Panasonic TVs. The very slim bezel gives you an edge-to-edge picture effect, along with the new pedestal which has a chrome trim filled with a clear, high-quality plastic. This also makes the TV feel like it's floating and not attached to any stand. My initial thoughts on the picture quality was positive. The picture appeared to be clear and smooth. I only had the TV set to the default settings and certain pictures appeared to be very bright, although you can easily change the settings yourself. Saying that, if you're going for an LED, the main attraction is the brightly lit screen with vivid colours. Situated at the top, sat just behind the screen, is a pop-up camera. The camera pops up when activating certain applications. You can adjust the angle of the camera and simply push back down using a spring catch when done. In the box we are provided with 2 remote controls. Both finished with a silver coating. We have the standard remote for changing channels, volume and picture settings that we are used to. Although we also have a touch remote which has a built-in microphone for using voice commands and will become very useful for using some of the smart features such as the web browser. This year Panasonic have introduced twin aerial and satellite feeds into a few of the high-end models. By selecting multi-window in the app section, this enables us to use the picture-in-picture facility and view 2 programs that are on at the same time. Under the preview title we can select from the FreeSat, Freeview or another input, as this model has dual-core processing. Underneath we can scroll to find another station and preview what is on. By pressing the OK button we can swap the windows, and the program in the small window will now appear on the left. The WT has a good range of control on changing the picture quality. We can choose from dynamic, normal, cinema, true cinema and custom from the picture viewing modes. We can further change the backlight control, colour contrast and brightness. There are also a few other settings which you can turn on, such as the ambient sensor, which will respond to your own lighting conditions, caption smoother, which will help text become clearer to read, and even intelligent frame creation, which will try and make the images appear smoother when panning. The black level in the WT was better than I thought. On previous LEDs that I've looked at in dark situations during films, the black areas can tend to look slightly grey due to the backlight. In all fairness, the WT does well on providing a good range of contrast. However, for my personal taste, I would probably lower the brightness setting slightly for day-to-day viewing, as the brightness can be too bright on default settings. I really like this new design idea for the pedestal. The small chrome trim gives the TV a very minimalist yet high quality feel. Although the picture quality was really good, I wanted it to be that one step better for Panasonic's top-end LED. With the quality of LEDs increasing dramatically over the last year, Panasonic have improved theirs a lot and should be considered up there with the rest on the market. That's it for this first look at the new WT65. If you enjoyed, please press the like button below and make sure that you subscribe for more videos to come. Thanks for watching guys, my name's Steve, and one final thank you to Panasonic Store Sheffield.